To unblock an email address from your Gmail account, click on settings icon on upper right corner. Under quick settings, you will find see all settings button. Click on see all settings. Here you will find a tab filters and blocked addresses. First of all, you will find the filter addresses list. The following filters are applied to the all incoming mail. And now scroll down. Then you will find the following email addresses are blocked. Messages from those addresses will appear in a spam. Select this email and click on unblock addresses or just click here to unblock the email address. I'm clicking on unblock. Click on unblock to unblock this email address. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.